Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will check how can we set or remove a password in a PDF file. Let's start. Search small PDF website. You can use the link given in the description. Select Protect PDF to set password and Unlock PDF to remove password from the PDF. Let's set password first. Upload the PDF in which you want to set a password and give a password. Please remember the password because without that password you can't open the PDF. Download encoded PDF. This is the PDF which is protected by your password. Now let's remove the password. This time select Unlock PDF option. Upload that encoded PDF file. Enter the password. You can see the password is successfully removed. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.